In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam Disk Write error in just 5 minutes. This can be a rather frustrating issue, especially when you're eager to dive into a new game, but don't worry, with these straightforward steps you'll be back to gaming in no time. The first thing we're going to do is locate the Steam application on your computer. Head over to your desktop and use the search bar to find the Steam app. Once you've found it, we're going to right click on the icon. From the drop down menu, select Open File Location. This takes us directly to the folder where Steam is installed on your computer, making it easier to access the settings we need to adjust. Now that you've opened the file location, find the Steam executable file, usually just named Steam. Right click on it, and from the context menu select Properties. This is going to bring up a window with several tabs detailing different aspects of Steam's configuration. Here we want to focus on the Compatibility tab. Go ahead and click on that. In the Compatibility tab, you'll see several options available. Look for the setting labelled Run this program as an administrator. Checking this box is crucial because it gives Steam the permissions it needs to make changes to your hard drive. Problems like the disk write error often occur due to restricted permissions, so enabling this option should help. Once you've checked the box, you'll want to apply these settings. Click on Apply and then confirm by clicking OK. This will ensure all your changes are saved and ready to take effect the next time you start Steam. With those settings configured, open up Steam itself, navigate to the Settings menu, which you'll find in the top left corner under Steam. In the Settings menu, click over to Downloads. Here you'll see an option to clear download cache. Clicking on this will remove any temporary data Steam has accumulated, potentially freeing up space and fixing any errors that have cropped up. Next, let's move on to managing your storage. Still in the settings, go to the Storage tab. You'll notice next to each listed drive, there's a set of 3 dots. By clicking here, you'll find an option to repair library folder. Select this option to check and fix any errors within Steam's file directory. Finally, restart your Steam application. Most of the time, these two methods, running Steam as an administrator and clearing the download cache, combined with repairing the library, will resolve any disk write errors you might come across. Follow these steps and you should be able to get back to your games without a hitch. Thanks for tuning in and happy gaming.